Welcome to Loomly. Loomly is the easy-to-use social media management platform that lets you create better content faster. In this video, you'll learn how to get started with Loomly, collaborate with your agency or team to approve posts, manage your social media creative assets, and so much more. As a client in Loomly, you'll be able to see the upcoming social media calendar for your brand, business, or organization. You can preview posts, leave comments for collaborators such as agencies, freelancers, or teammates, and approve content to be published. When you are invited to collaborate in Loomly, you need to create an account. You can continue to use Loomly for free as long as you do not create any additional calendars of your own. After creating your account, you will be taken to the Loomly dashboard so you can get an overview of your content. The dashboard allows access to your calendar, and you can also view the states of all your posts in the post overview, see what posts are upcoming in On the Radar, and explore post ideas for inspiration as well as quick links. Once you select your calendar, you'll be taken to List View. List View was created to be a more intuitive and easy to navigate version of spreadsheets. This view allows you to sort by date, post subject, and copy, view the social media channels posts are being scheduled to, review and approve or request edits to posts, see assigned collaborators. In List View, you can filter posts by assignee, including your own name, post status, social media channel, date, and post format to speed up the approval process. You can also filter using labels, which are a way to manage and track campaigns in Loomly. With Loomly, your collaborators can customize the content of a single post to maximize engagement on each social media channel, including adjusting copy, media, and scheduled date and time. If a post was fine-tuned to suit different channels, you can see all the copy variations by clicking the plus in the copy column. You can also view the fine-tuned dates and times for the post by hovering over the X next to the scheduled date of the post. Finally, you can apply bulk actions to multiple posts, such as updating the assignee, the post date, and deleting posts. For example, if you're happy with all upcoming content, you can easily approve all the posts in List View by bulk updating the post date from pending approval to approved. Moving on to Calendar View, this provides a bird's-eye visual overview of all the content planned for the month. With Calendar View, you can navigate from one month to another and filter posts by social media channel, state, assignee, label, and media format. If the scheduled dates of posts have been fine-tuned, then you group and ungroup posts to see them at their individually scheduled times. You can also hover over the social media channel icons to get previews of the post. To preview the post in more detail, you can click on the subject to get taken to Post View. Post View is one of the key ways you can collaborate in Loomly. When you're assigned to a post, you will receive a notification with a link taking you directly to this view. In Post View, you can preview how your content will look on each of the different social media channels selected. Scroll below the post preview to update the post state from pending approval to requires edits or approved, as well as assigned to collaborators. You can leave real-time comments to provide feedback or ask for clarification. We recommend tagging collaborators with an @mention so they're notified immediately. When it comes to status changes, only individuals who are assigned to the post will get notified about every update. You can assign a post to one or more users by clicking the drop-down next to Assign To. You can even select everyone who is a collaborator on the calendar. One helpful workflow is if a post has been assigned to you as a client or manager to review, but it still requires edits, you should change the state to Requires Edits and then assign the post to the relevant collaborator so they get notified. If you're happy with the content of the post, you can select Approved or Scheduled and then reassign the post to the respective collaborator responsible for ensuring the post is published. When the post has been successfully published, Post View also provides a link to view the post on the native social media channel. Next up is the Loomly library. Each calendar in Loomly has its own creative asset library, which can be accessed from List View and Calendar View via the library icon in your toolbar. Manage all your visual assets by uploading from your computer, Google Drive, and Unsplash, and view exported designs from Canva. This is a great way to share approved content with your collaborators so they can quickly draft posts. You can also create notes that contain text and links to serve as inspiration for post creation. Finally, you can create slideshow videos from multiple images and delete media you no longer need. Toggle between a grid and list depending on your preference. The list provides more details about each asset at a glance, whereas the grid is more visual. Our next tip is to use labels to categorize items in your library, such as organizing different campaigns and types of posts. You can bulk add and edit these labels if you need to update multiple items at the same time. You or your collaborators can then find assets quickly by filtering using labels, media types, whether it was used in a post, and dates added or used. If you click on View Asset, you'll be taken to the asset view. You can easily edit the subject and description, share the URL, and upload a new version. You can also edit images and videos with Loomly Studio, which allows you to crop, trim, add text and filters, and much more. Finally, you can track all changes made to an asset and mark any asset as used if it wasn't published through Loomly. Last up on this tour is the notifications section in your account settings. This is where you can customize the frequency of notifications and where you receive them. Set up notifications to go to your email inbox, your mobile device via push notifications, or to Slack or Microsoft Teams so you never miss a message. Notifications can be turned off for specific updates and actions, and your email frequency can be updated so you only receive daily or weekly digests. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact our team through chat or over email at contact@loomly.com. Thanks for watching this video.